Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix sleep issues in Windows 10. First method is type Control Panel Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Change plan settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express. Click and expand Link State Power Management. Setting to off. Apply, OK. Exit power option. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type power, CFG space minus, H space off. Exit command prompt. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.